Ladies and gentlemen.
Number one. HD videos. Touch Up TV. Touch Up TV Live. HD video.
Touch Up TV Live. HD digital video.
Yeah, Touch Up fans. Well, let's see what's going on right now. We live in Brooklyn, New York. It's your boy Kato Touch Up, live on top the 7th floor, right? This is moments before Sandy hit Brooklyn. You understand? So everybody is getting ready for Sandy. MTA is shutting down, streets is shutting down, New York is shutting down, New Jersey, Pennsylvania. Listen, the whole tri-state area is gonna be a movie. So we asking people to just make sure you have something, supplies in your house, because make sure you have your flashlights, boil some water, put it in a pot, fill your bathtub of water, you know, in case you gotta flush a toilet or something, you know. So just do these little things around. Make sure you got oil in your house, bread, flour, cheese, cricks, and any other supplies you're gonna need, make sure you get it. And if you have a car, make sure you got gas in it, because you never know what's going on. So I'm just showing you a live view from the 7th floor, like the rooftop of the buildings before things even take place, all right? So watch the vibes. Brooklyn, New York, mad. See, the wind now start picking up over here. Right now it's approximately, see? This is the time right now, PM. So, live in Brooklyn on the 7th floor, and I'm just showing you a rooftop view before the place get turned up. Watch the US flag over here in the cut. So right now, this is live from the concrete jungle. Thing mud. Touch Up TV street news is mad. Sirens, horns, honking, all that. Streets about to get turned up. So I'm hitting the road, you know. Yeah. So what I'm telling you right now, I'm hitting the road right now and see what the vibes is like. I got a kids' Halloween party, Black Diamond, Raquel, big up yourself. Each and every year, you got the wickedest Halloween party inside Brooklyn, New York, in Rose Garden. Check it out, it's a kids' affair. Parents, bring your kids, come true. So that's where I'm heading up right now. And don't forget, for all you ladies and fellas out there, listen, it's all about Touch Up TV affair. The thing mad. Hidden secrets, lingerie, pajama, party. Fellas, everybody asking me this question. I don't want to do the no boxes and no party. Not how you sleep. It's pajama, robe. Pajamas or robe. No boxes. You understand? Probably a white t-shirt if that's what you're sleeping with, your pajama, your robe, whatever the case it is. You want to come with a top. Your top, you're sleeping in gear in top and jeans at the bottom. It's all good. Just sleep in attire, you know what I mean? If you want to come up in there with, well, for me, I'm looking for something, trying to find something. So don't forget, get your tickets right now. It's $25 per ticket. 2 people on a ticket. Only a few left. Well, we only printed 100 tickets, to be real with you. And there's going to be more at the door. So the place on mad out. Mad. All right, people. I just want you to see the skies. You see the skies always making up. Look. What's outside? It's so right now, it started to drizzle slightly, you know, but the breeze is picking up. So I'm up here just chilling out, chilling. Right now we about to hit the street, so we just leaving the rooftop right now, mud.
Ladies and gentlemen. Number one. HD videos. Touch Up TV. Touch Up TV Live. HD video.
Touch Up TV Live. HD digital video.